Hi, welcome to our Hibernate tutorial. In this video session, let us look into the many-to-many mapping in Hibernate. Let us see how it's happening in Hibernate. We have two tables in our database, worker and department. And let us assume that we have a case in which for each department it has a number of workers, and for each worker has to work for different departments. So many to many. So this is how we are going to make a relationship between these two tables. So by means of Hibernate, where we can achieve this relationship by introducing one more table in between these two tables, worker department table. It is an intermediate table, or we can call it a lookup table. This table, we have created this table by taking one field from worker table and another field from the department table. So this is how we are having one more table, which is a lookup table or intermediate table. Let us understand this programmatically. We're having these two persistence clauses, worker and department, for the two tables in our database. The department poso clause is just the same usual one, having two fields, dep ID and dep name, and setters and getters for that. And if you see the worker persistence clause, we're having the usual fields, and also we are having one department set, departments set, which is of type department, and we are having the setters and getters for these departments as well. The HBM file for the department is just the usual one, having the usual tags, and for the worker, the HBM file, we are going to have set tag. Of course, we can achieve this many-to-many relationship by using the set, bag, and the hash map, of course. In our example, I'm just using the set. If you see here, the name denotes the reference departments. On the table, here we are asking the Hibernate to create one more table with this name, worker underscore department. And by means of this tag cascade all, this value, Hibernate will persist the other tables. So other tables means this department and the new one, worker underscore department. So the key column is ID. So we are telling the Hibernate to take the ID field from the worker, and in the many-to-many tag, we are telling the column is dep ID to take the dep ID field from the department table. On the class, we are providing the persistence class. So this is how we have provided the configuration for the many-to-many mapping in our Hibernate example. Let us see how we can test this. We are having two department objects, and we are setting the values, one Java and two .NET, two departments, and we are taking one set, department set, and we have added these two department objects to this department set, and we are having three workers, and we have provided ID, name, and salary, and departments. For departments, we are just providing the set. Also we can provide our customizer set for worker 3. Let's provide our customizer set. So in this set for worker 3 we are just adding only one department, not the two, only one. So let us test, let's run this and let us make it show in the database. If you see, for first worker 2 departments, for second worker 2 departments, for third one we have added only one, that is Java. So this is how we can achieve many to many relationship in Hibernate. Here we are just saving the workers, not the departments, and cascade all value is going to take care of saving the departments as well. So this is the key tag that's going to configure the many-to-many mapping. This is it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.